Asking for my Caesar salad recipe, there it goes. I use this particular mayonnaise. It says follow your heart, avocado oil veganese, because it's vegan. It doesn't have egg in it, and because this dressing you can keep it for a long time since it doesn't have egg. So basically it's about a cup. Yeah, it's a cup of mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise. I just like this particular one because it's made out of pea protein instead of egg, so you don't taste the egg so much, and because also this dressing can stay in the fridge for weeks. Okay, we put 1 cup of mayonnaise. This particular, it's a mayonnaise, veganese, whatever it is, but this is it. Here it goes. 1 cup of this goes into my food processor. Then we do 1 small garlic. Sometimes I don't do it. It all depends how I feel about that second. But 1 small garlic. You don't have to do it. You can skip it entirely. It's entirely up to whoever is making it and whoever is eating it. Okay, it's about this much, not too much. You don't want it too garlicky. Then I have a shredded Grana Padana. It's the cheese of my choice because it's less sharp than Parmesan, but you can get any cheese you want. And we do a good 1/2 cup of shredded Grana Padana. And the reason why I'm putting so much cheese, because I want my dressing to be cheesy so it has more taste. So then we're gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon of, this is about, 1 sec, to be more precise, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, just because our Grana Padana is salty. I'm putting 1/2 teaspoon. You can replace Grana Padana with Parmesan. It all depends on your taste. I don't like the sharpness of Parmesan, but that's how it is. Okay, the fourth ingredient of this is gonna be, we start with about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or maybe 3. I like it on more of a sour side. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper, about, let's say, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Just gives a nice taste, or maybe a little less than that. That's it. We're gonna put everything together and we're gonna spin it. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of water. But if you don't want to put water, what you can do is, when you freshly wash your lettuce and just like shake it, your lettuce still has a little bit of like water on it, then don't put water. Perfect. Done.